guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing steak stuffed baked potatoes. You don't really need a lot of things. I've listed all the things that you need on the two gray screens. Make sure you take note of that. So right now I'm just putting these sweet potatoes in the oven, but before I do that, I'm just going to make sure I poke holes in all of them. And I'm also gonna coat them in vegetable oil. You can use olive oil if you want, but I've just found that both of them just work as effective. So if you can see my sweet potatoes, the two of those sweet potatoes are much smaller than the other one. It's bigger, the one that I'm poking holes in, and I'm making sure to make deeper holes in this one. That way it cooks evenly with the other two, and I don't end up having a tough center of the sweet potato. And I actually also did check on it like on the 30-minute mark, because I put the sweet potatoes in 400 degrees Fahrenheit heat for an hour. So once it turned 30 minutes, I checked with a fork, just poke them a little to make sure they're cooked inside. And then once it reached an hour, they were ready. So once the sweet potatoes had been in the oven for about 30 minutes, I got started on the vegetables that I was going to add to the steak. I did this so that everything finishes cooking at the same time. I removed the seeds from the orange and red peppers and cut them up in bigger chunks. Then I also cut up some onion, ginger, garlic, and some broccoli. I also have one jalapeno pepper that I sliced thinly, and I'm gonna use at the end for decoration. For the steak to cook much faster, I made sure to cut it up in very small strips. I then went ahead and coated it up in flour. That way it can stay juicy when I cook it on high heat. And I also added all the seasonings on the pan because I also wanted the vegetables to be very flavorful. And I constantly mixed everything because I was cooking on high heat and I didn't want it to burn. So this is how the food came out. It was really delicious, and this actually makes a cute and fancy date idea for you and your loved ones. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.